Hi friends, welcome to LoomVN. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and customize menus and drop-downs in WordPress. This is a complete beginner's guide, so whether you are new to WordPress or looking to improve your website's navigation, you are in the right place. I will show you how to create simple menus, add drop-downs, and style them using Astra's themes option. Menus are essential for site navigation, helping users find key sections or pages. And drop-downs enhance that experience by allowing you to organize related content under a main menu item, creating a cleaner, more intuitive navigation. For example, under the main menu item, Services, we can group related pages like web development and SEO into a drop-down. Let's start by logging into WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, this is where all the magic happens. There are two ways to create menus in WordPress. I will show you both, starting with the traditional approach. Go to Appearance, Menus. This section lets you add pages, posts, custom links, and categories to your menu. It gives you full control over the menu structure. Now let's create a new menu using the first method. Click on Create a new menu and name it something simple like Main Menu. Then assign it to the primary menu location so it shows at the top of your website and click Save Menu. Easy, right? Now let's add some items to our menu. Over on the left, you will see options to add pages, posts, categories, and custom links. I will add important pages like Home, About Us, Services, and Contact. Just check the boxes next to the pages you want and click Add to Menu. Now, if you want to link to an external site, use custom links. Just enter the URL and a label. For instance, I will add a link to my portfolio. Once you are happy with your choices, click Add to Menu. To change the order of the menu items, simply drag and drop them. I will put Home first, followed by About Us, Services, and then Contact. This makes it easy to reorganize everything with just a few clicks. Now, let's create drop-down menus. Drop-downs are perfect for organizing related content under a parent item. For example, I will place two sub-items under Services, Web Development and SEO. To create the drop-down, drag the sub-items slightly to the right underneath Services. And there you go, drop-down created. Save your changes and let's visit our website. You can see our menu is ready, and if you hover over on parent's item like Services, you can see our drop-downs opens up. Now for the second option, let's head to Appearance, Customize, Menus. Here you can create and edit your menu with a live preview. As you add pages, posts, or links, you can see how they will look on your site in real time. Let's quickly walk through this. Click Create a new menu. Add the same pages we did in the first option: Home, About Us, Services, and Contact. And notice how you can rearrange the order while seeing the changes live on the right hand side. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish. Okay. Now let's customize the design and layout of the menu using Astra. Go to Appearance, Customize, Header, Primary Menu. Here you can change the layout, fonts, colors, and even add hover effects. Let's adjust the text color to a darker shade and add a subtle hover effect. Astra also allows you to customize how the menu appears on mobile devices. Head to Mobile menu under the same customizer. Here you can enable the hamburger menu for mobile, which looks clean and easy to use on phones and tablets. You can also customize the look of the hamburger menu. change the icon color, drop down design, and even the spacing between the menu items. This makes sure your site looks professional on every device. Let's preview everything to make sure it's working as expected. Our menu, drop downs, and mobile version looks perfect. Don't forget to click publish to save your changes. And that's it. You have learned how to create and customize WordPress menus and drop downs using the Astra theme. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Loomvian for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.